So I've just realised I'm going to run out of space, so I've got myself another piece of paper. So the final thing left to do is work out how many Charles buys. Again, it's a ratio. We're always going to use a table for ratio. So we've got small and medium. Now the ratio parts, you can add a total on as well, but remember, we may not need this column. So our first line is always our ratio parts. So we put 3 to 4, and if we add those, we get a total of 7. Now we're told that he buys 210 small packs. So we know that his actual value was 210. So we need to work out what we've done to get from there to 210. So we do 210 divided by 3, which gives us 70. So for each of these columns, we have to times by 70. So to get the 4 parts, if 1 part equals 70 packs, 4 parts will equal 70 times 4, which is 280 packs. Therefore, Charles buys 280 medium packs. Now the final stage is to go back. This is why it's a 5-mark question, because there's lots of steps. The final stage is the total number of medium packets. So in order to do that, we have to add Albert and Boguslawa and Charles. So we know that Albert bought 168, Boguslawa bought 420, and Charles bought 280. So if you put that on your calculator, we get 868 packets. So the total was 868 medium